Welcome to Puzzle Quiz, where your brain gets smarter and you have fun along the way. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's play. Think you know everything about animals? Let's see how well you know our furry, feathered, and scaly friends. Click Start, and let's play. What color is a flamingo when it's born? Gray. What do pandas mainly eat? Bamboo. How long can a camel go without water? Weeks. What's a group of lions called? Pride. Which animal can sleep while standing? Horse. How many hours a day do koalas sleep? Hours. What color is a polar bear's skin? Black. How fast can a cheetah run? (120 kilometers per hour). What sound does a giraffe make? They're almost silent. What's a baby kangaroo called? Joey. How do dolphins sleep? With one eye open. What's the only mammal that can fly? Bat. How many legs does a lobster have? Ten. What animal is known to laugh? Hyena. What do camels store in their humps? Fat. What color is a reindeer's eye in winter? Blue. Which animal has fingerprints almost like humans? Koala. Which bird can mimic human speech? Parrot. What animal can change its color? Chameleon. How far can a penguin jump out of water? Three meters. How long can snails sleep? Years. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus. What animal can hold its breath the longest? Whale. What's the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. What animal never forgets? Elephant. You did it! How many did you get right? Are you an animal expert or just a cute panda fan? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to follow for more fun quizzes every day.